We are currently at Malam Market, which is also on the Malam Accra Highway, and we have come across a footbridge. We have realized that this footbridge is also not really being used by the pedestrians in this area. We believe that this is due to the fact that the wire mesh which prevents people from crossing the road has not been fully extended, which still makes room for pedestrians to cross the road instead of using the footbridge. We would like to plead with the government and the necessary authorities to come extend the wire mesh in order to prevent people from crossing the road and to instead use the footbridge.
Yeah, me what can I say? If I say bedri abe 6 o'clock, obe ba no ni page na kwan ne ho twa kwan ni mo. Ni omo na ebi na air flow overhead ni. Ebi anipa mienu miensa, ebi anipa 50 twa kwan. Se penimo, se akura o, se maami o, se papa o school ni o, omo nyine twa kwan. Overhead ni dia ban ya boka. Aha overhead ni so da fam. Abo so nipa bi etimi flo. Nti dia make kakra for overhead no ho say o ma be bolo kwan ne ho ban amomotimi afro overhead nti kwan ba fa so meti abobo overhead ne ho kwan di o be ye na bubu o ma sa be bi kakra bi nti kwan da o mu twa kwan mu to mo makata kwan ne ho nyina mo motimi afro overhead
Man pasha da se but me hu say oton ade wa ha chana
ba cha me twa ade wa ha be to bi yes.
Oh, that's nti how often who say car about nkrofo or motwa kwan nim ewa ha
me fa ne say etere bia ya poko no yete se car bo obi etere bi nso awie wa ha na ma no motwam na car de obi ebi so ne moto ni fa ho mu hunu ne moto abo wom onso mo nso mi ni ba krokra me fa ne no hospital no wawu enkankan ne struggle fo ndie ene e da bia ebo wom ko mo ntimi ma adwuma bi ko yi wom na ekum obi ntimi wade mi hunu no bo be di dwana kana bono ohun nati ni fun ayam ko fa no way nti no ansa mbeza me kasa che omum twakwe na me kama ban ti ase so mo bokwan no ban to mo ti fro ba head no
Pachel o area ha chana
Oh, acha papa about 15 years.
Oh, okay, that's nice. Nti Pachel then now working about situation there Malam Market
O my footbridge no. But lane now we because of fence one or anyo on nintino. I confirm we ani here ma sisi kwandem. Nkasa abane ye no concrete nka bobo manyipa be dodo na afo. Nto obere no so access na won obi anya na wotwam. Hwe ebi na ma na me ode akola itwami. Hwe ode ne ba ehun so ode ne ba keto na itwam. Ehun niti instead of say ode ne ba ne ba full steps no because of we na ye anyo na itutu ntina obi afo ho. It's a sharp and so my man. And that one, there's got to be that see her at underground. The me police station on way and contract and to go to Suta. Oh, yet 30 minutes in a higher ma. By only 27 year back level. And to me, I was up and by man. And now you put on us too far overhead and do. Because a yard boy. And see, Saban to now, or by a concrete reinforcement in my yard. A baboa. At least all the bay there. 5 or 6 feet in order that I didn't toss about what is why you can you know. And I just say BBI because I'm quite crown point of my middle which is very bad. BBI so bad as supposed before, as I banyo, as you say, but as I'm happy. Until someone more than concrete. Amen.
Okay, Pachel, that's about person beside question. Also, in so to Hannah
got on the gun got to be that golf filling station anymore. Contractor no ye man obetuo gota no nti nsu to a nsu na nam underground na ekọ epunum no na nsu ne be pie nsu ne pie pe enya just 30 minutes na hanya ayema so a sabi be otumi yema na dida nyipa na ha unema ibo nso dida ha which is very bad.
It is omuntumi access has
omuntumi nya access full steps no se nsu to pa na se inframa eba nka so do so bia betumi a full steps na aba blow no because of isuna itumi yiri wa so no na ama pedestrians no omfo ade no na omu twa kwan no esa so a na ha because so so to na cars no ba mo ente esa so a ha adwen kakra na light of so ndos won ya ha do just na mo nyai that is for so to a enche bia na mo dum light na ha susu sum enye mboa en kokokwa even though street light or Malam Market enya enye djuma edu anadwa kromfo me say eche say mabre de bia na me pam kronfo kra de baby kra na wa hwe ya na wokonya asam o da de kobọ kronfo na achi nti esra ban say so mbe street light na mayen na se kania wa ha be de so be wi ade wa ha.
If you are looking for a place where you can learn how to drive, we'd like to recommend Blessed Driving School to you. If you are also looking for a driver's license, we'd also like to recommend Blessed Driving School to you. If you are someone who drove a while ago and you want to polish your driving skills, we would still recommend the same school to you. Kindly call the number displayed on your screen in order to reach them for their services. Thank you.